Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will multiply fractions by whole numbers. 5 times 1/4, or we can say 5 times 1/4. The 5 is the whole number, the 4th is the fraction, and we will find the product. Let's start by showing a model of 1/4 or 1/4. We have 1 out of 4 parts, 1/4, or 1/4. We need to multiply that 5 times because it says 5 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Now let's see if we can combine any of these fourths to make a whole. We notice that these 4 fourths make one whole. So we have 1 whole and 1/4. 1 and 1/4. 5 times 1/4 equals 1 and 1/4. 7 times 5/8. The 7 is a whole number, the 5/8 is the fraction, and we need to find the product. We have 5/8. We need to multiply that 7 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Let's see if we can combine any of these 8s to make one whole. I notice that we have 5/8 and 3/8, which makes 8/8, which makes one whole. Let's combine some more. We have 2/8 plus 5/8 plus 1/8. That makes another 8/8, which makes another whole. Here we have 5/8 plus 3/8, which makes 8/8, which makes one whole. Lastly, we have 2/8 plus 5/8 plus 1/8, which makes another 8/8, which makes one whole. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 wholes. And I noticed that we have 3/8 that we couldn't make into another whole. So we will write 3/8. 7 times 5/8 equals 4 and 3/8. 10 times a tenth. The 10 is the whole number, the fraction is 1/10, and we will find the product. Let's start by showing 1/10. We have 1 part out of 10 equal parts. We need to multiply that 10 times. 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did 1/10 10 times. Let's combine these tenths to make one whole. We notice that we can make one whole. 10 tenths equals one whole. So the product is 1. 10 times 1/10 equals 1.